Boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. I got something to tell you I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D with The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me, no matter where you are in this beautiful world of ours. It's a pleasure, it's an honor to be on your electronic device. As you know, we're about entertainment and educational purposes only. I'm not a stockbroker, I'm not a money manager. I'm an author, I write books. My books can be found on Amazon.com. You can get the audiobook, the paperback book, or the ebook. Make money online with cannabis stocks. I list over 40 stocks. There's also a strategy in there that you can use for the rest of your life. Investing in medical and recreational cannabis, buy in before, during, or after legalization. As you know, there's a lot of legalization going on right now. The African marijuana gold mine, there's been a lot of talk at this conference. I'm on my way to the conference. I'm going to bring reports to you. There's been a lot of talk at the conference about what's going on in Africa right now. And like John Nigerian said yesterday, they're growing weed in the Congo. So there's a lot going on right now in Africa. Canopy's over there. Supreme Cannabis is over there. There's a lot of companies over there right now. Aurora, I haven't mentioned Aurora's over there. Marijuana Today, Vanadium and Uranium Tomorrow is our latest book. It's a mini book. I list uranium companies in there, and it's a good read for you. Sorry, I screwed up I screwed up John Nigerian's interview. It was too dark. And I had Sean Broderick, the millionaire marijuana portfolio. He broke the tie that I had with the Motley Fools. That video was screwed up also. Mr. Broderick sided with me. He said that Planet 13 is more like Disneyland than it is Walmart. So I beat the Motley Fools on that one. Hey, kudos. But I'll be bringing you videos here the next couple of days or so. I'm headed over to the conference. It's going to be a very, very good conference. And in the next day or two, I'll be letting you know what's going on. I hope to meet up again with Super Trader Dino there and talk with him for a little while. And hook up with some of the other guys. Maybe I'll see some of the subscribers there. You never know. But let you know here. Take care. God bless you. And I'll talk to you here in a few hours. Let's see. I should drop one of these maybe every 12 hours or so. I'll put another little video on from the conference. Love you. God bless you. Take care of yourself. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe. We're boots on the ground. We go to the conferences. We talk to the CEOs. That's another thing. I screwed up another CEO interview. I'll tell you who, and I'll tell you about the companies here. What happened is I left the you guys know I'm not a good editor and all that stuff when it comes to this video and stuff. That's really not me. I'm gonna have to hire somebody or do something like that with that in the future. But with that said, you take care of yourself, and God bless you, and look forward to being with you here in a few minutes or a few hours, put it that way. Take care. God bless.